this is an area where there appears to be mossy or less osteo. Okay, so there's not that much to talk about. Bowler's angle, we've already had that. Heel pad measure should not exceed 22. When we get there, we've already got the bowlers. So that's this measure here. Obviously, if it's a little bit thicker, it could be that the person has an adenoma, so maybe you want to look at the lateral cervical, taking cervicals, and see if they don't have what's called an empty sella or erosion of the plenary processes or the floor of the sella turcica. So they could have giantism or acromegalia. Yeah.
You said it shouldn't exceed 22.
20, yeah, it shouldn't exceed 22. What's that?
And the notes it says 22 to 26.
Yeah, well, maximum measure, yeah. Okay, well, they start guessing at 22.
Okay.
Guessing that they could have, academic obesity. Okay. You're paying attention, I like that. Okay, this one I want you to know, that anything, it says 10 degrees, right? Less than 10 degrees, but we know for a fact that if it's 12 degrees, it's being productive clinically, 9 times out of 10. So an angle greater than 10, and when you get up to 12, right, then they probably have clinical presentation. So hallux valgus, meaning away from the midline. Okay, so this one here, os trigonum, right? That's like the centrale and the styloideum. It could have clinical consequences and significance in that it could be painful. And there has to be a separation from the body of the talus and the posterior tubercle. All it is persistent non-union of the posterior tubercle. And then, I guess with stress, it becomes painful. Okay, so, this is somewhat irregular, so maybe fracture here versus this one is smooth, nice parallelism between the tubercle and the talus. It looks like the volar ankle is a mess, isn't it? Pretty flat-footed. Right? So this is osteogone. This one is supra, so on the lateral, meaning superior. A lot of students want to tell me that this is supra. It's not. This is the tibialis externum, or then you don't say supranaviculare, you say just naviculare. Right? Os naviculare. So this is either os naviculare, or you can call it os tibiali externum. But again, remember on the lateral, this is called supra, os supra. So don't confuse them. This here, you got two of them. Mostly I've just seen a singular one, but os peroneum, area where the peroneus muscle is attached. This one is called an os intermetatarsium. Not unusual to have fusion. I won't have that one anymore. But look for these bipartite sesamoid. And the reason that I think these are significant is because you can have fracture, right? Or you can have infection of these guys because they're on the plantar surface of the foot. Okay, again, supernumerary physis. We should have just had one here at the base, but we got one here, just like we do these guys. This is called a talar beak. So it doesn't mean that there's degeneration or anything. If there's degeneration, you would think that it's got to be more around the joint, right? Ununited apophysis. Remember that the apophysis is in the same plane as the long axis of the fifth metatarsal. If it's a fracture, it's perpendicular to the long axis. So that would be fracture in this direction. This direction is an unfused apophysis. You need to know that.
talked about these, they don't heal very well. In fact, probably 95+% of the time, they don't heal at all. And that's again because of a poor blood supply in that area. That's where we're pulling our blood. Okay, so again, os tibialis externum, or if you said os naviculari, not supra now, just naviculari, that would work. Here we go here. With, this one has a couple of things to talk about, right? You got the tibialis externum, and then you got bipartite here. So that's more. And then the os peroneum by the cuboid. Tarsal coalition, right? So most common is between the calcaneus and the navicular. Also between the talus and the calcaneus. Here you've got coalition. More than one tosi. This is that pseudotumor we talked about. Again, lipomas could be out there, so you've got to differentiate from the lipoma. The fact that this doesn't align doesn't worry anybody. It's just the way it is between the cuboid and calcaneus. This apophysis, right, can look very radiodense, not to confuse with avascular necrosis. Same thing here. This is not the avascular necrosis of the navicular, just that it hasn't developed yet. It's in the process. Again, fracture goes this way, so we have some fracture there, and apophysis goes that way.
So that would be two.
Two things, yeah. Uncreased apophysis with fracture. Yep. Bipart decay, sesamoid, and that's it for appendicular. So we don't have much time, 10 minutes. Do you want to do abdomen or forget it? Do it. Yes, sir.
How much of the final is abdomen? 5%.
Let's go.
Unless you want to drink it. You can do that. So, yeah, so concentrate on the abdomen. And remember to be 6% of the legs. So I would say concentrate on that PowerPoint. I created a couple, 3, 5, 10 minutes. Get the visuals going. Okay, so, remember, if you've got a tongue-like projection, it comes all the way down to the crest of the ilium. It doesn't necessarily mean that you've got hepatomegaly. It could be the Rydell's lobe, R-E-I-D-E-L. Tongue-like projection. This is called the Megan gloss. A lot of times there's an air fluid level. Gas with fluid in the stomach gives you a horizontal and an upright posture. So know that term, Megan gloss. Here you got rugal folds, right? So it's like an air balloon. Here you got a couple of stones, right? Lithiasis. Contrast latent gallbladder, where the lucency is, that's cholesterol. Where the white is, that's contrast. Okay, same thing here. Contrast where the lucencies are, that's where the cholesterol stones are. And remember that only 15% of the time will you be able to see calcified gallstones. 85% of the time is usually cholesterol, bile bilirubin combination. So female fat 40, flatulent, whatever. Bunch of stones there. Again, a single stone needs to be differentiated from the urinary calculi, especially you can see the kidneys here, or maybe even adrenal glands. It's in the location of that. This was kind of interesting. gallstone is here. So, I would remember if there's a gastric tube, and the stone is there, it's probably because the stone is in the bowel. So, they would have had a stone that eroded through the gallbladder into, most likely it's the duodenum because of the location, and now that stone is passing through the bowel. So gallstone ileus. The ileus part means gas. Right? So the gallstone, there's gas in the small bowel. More cholecystite cases. Remember that the lucency here is going to be cholesterol, like the little rings. Like here. It's cholesterol. Remember that this would have to be decubitus. The patient would have been lying on this side. There's no way you're going to have all these stones stacking like that. That doesn't make sense. Here, air in the biliary tree. Why is that? Because they've got cholecystitis. Right? So again, with the abdomen, it's one thing to recognize, oh, that's air in the biliary tree, but it's important to tell me what it means. So make note of that. Here's another example, air in the biliary tree. The reason it looks like a circle is because it's on end. This is called layering. So all you need to know is that the stones, these are cholesterol stones, have different specific gravities. So they're going to layer out in a colloidal kind of solution. Heavier ones on the bottom, lesser, different levels. Again, the patient should have been lying on this side in order to get layering like that. You don't get vertical layering, it's horizontal layering. This is called the Go foot sign or the Janis Joplin sign, Mercedes-Benz. Go foot sign or Mercedes-Benz sign is what this is called. And that's cholesterol in the stomach. This is the milk of calcium gallbladder. It's a smooth, homogeneous outline of the inside, the lumen of the gallbladder. Then it's just because there's calcium carbonate. But we need to differentiate this milk of calcium, which is inert or benign, from the porcelain one. And this is my best example of the porcelain one, right? Where it's model density, it's not homogeneous, and it is in the muscle wall of the gallbladder. So this has potential to become a sarcoma. Again, emphysematous gallbladder, what does that tell you? That there's some pyogenic activity going on. You probably have cholecystitis, but it could be more than that. It could be gangrene or something like that. Here you've got air. This was more in the muscle coat. This one is air inside the lumen, but still referred to as emphysematous gallbladder. Inverted gallbladder, so it's pointing up, not down, probably because of a traumatic event, maybe auto accident or most fist fight. Don't worry about that stuff. Most common cause for granulomas in the case of the spleen is what? Histoplasmosis. Not that it couldn't be coccygeal, but usually histo. If the calcifications are in the liver, what's the most common cause? TB. So TB for liver and histo for spleen. Here, not only do you have granulomas, but look at where the spleen comes, all the way down to here. What the heck's with that? Right? It goes all the way down to here, pushing the flexion. Normally, the spleen's way up here. Right? So they've got splenomegaly, who knows why? You know, maybe they have Cushing's disease or something like that. Again, all little granulomas in the spleen, most commonly histo. Not that it couldn't be TB or coccygeal, it was something else. Undissolved vitamin tablets, if you can get them away from the bone, then you're not going to think they're in the bone. So that's true here, right? They're outside of the bone, and some are superimposed over the bone. Lymph node calcifications here, again, anywhere along the distribution of the descending abdominal aorta. There's a lot of lymph nodes here too. Also tracheum, the extent bronchus, places like that. Hard to call this lymph node calcification, but that's what it is. This, if I saw this